हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज चंदन सिंह। जिन लोगों के पास स्पीकिंग पार्टनर नहीं है वो घर पर अभ्यास कर सकते हैं, जैसे मैं अभी अभ्यास करने जा रहा हूँ। मैंने क्या किया है, बहुत सारे इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस उठाए हैं और मैं अपने आप से इन सेंटेंसेस को पूछूंगा और इसका मैं जवाब दूंगा। तो शुरू करते हैं गाइस, ये पार्ट 1 है। ऐसे ही मैं और वीडियोस लाता रहूंगा। तो मैं पहला सवाल खुद से करता हूँ। व्हाट इज योर फुल नेम? माय फुल नेम इज चंदन सिंह। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार। How old are you? So I give this task to all of my viewers to judge how old I am. What do you do? I am a teacher as well as I am involved in acting. That's the reason I'm in Mumbai. What are your hobbies? My hobby is making short films, editing, dancing. These are the things. What is your daily routine? Well, as far as my daily routine is concerned, I would say my daily routine is quite boring. Let me tell you how I call it a boring routine. I get up around 5:30 in the morning. After that, I get fresh. Then I drop my child to the bus pickup point. After coming from there, I worship and then I start teaching my students. I teach until 12 o'clock. After that, I have some food. Then in the afternoon, I go to gym. I spend some time over there. In the evening, I come back around 6:30. I take light food and I start teaching my students from 7 till 11. And then if I feel hungry, I eat something light, and after that I go to bed. So this is what I do from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I don't have any class or I don't have a lot of work. That's my special time. So this is what my daily routine is, and it sounds to be a little boring because every day, I have to do the same thing. What is your favorite food? If I talk about my favorite food, I would say I like dal, bhat, aloo ki bhujia. If not, then aloo ka chokha, papad, achar, आम का, one green chili, little salt, and some salad. That's my favorite food. What do you do on weekends? As you know that on weekends I don't teach my students. So that's my free time. That's me time. That's my me time. So first of all, I wake up little late on all the Saturdays and Sundays. Maybe I wake up around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Then I spend some time with my son, and if all the family members decide to go somewhere, I go along with them and we have some fun there. It could be any restaurant, could be any shopping mall, or any place where my son wants to go or my wife wants to go. We go there, we do some photography, we have fun and come back. This is how I spend my weekends. What is your favorite color? I cannot say that this color is my favorite. See, right now I'm wearing black shirt, and whenever I shoot a video, I try to wear black shirt because it enhances my personality. Means I think this, I look bit okay, compared to some other shirts I wear. So this is a kind of favorite of mine, but I cannot say that only black is my favorite. Sometimes I wear white shirt and blue jeans. That also looks amazing. So there are certain colors, if I get matching pants or something, so overall it enhances my personality, and then I say that okay, this color or these colors are going to enhance my personality, so these are my favorites. So only one color cannot be my favorite. What makes you happy? What makes me happy? See, when I see my family members happy, I become happy. So this is what makes me happy. Okay, how many people are there in your family? There are 5 members in my family. Do you have siblings? Yes, I do have siblings. I have 6 sisters and I'm the only one son, only one brother. What do your parents do? These days they do nothing. Both are patients. They are undergoing treatments. Who is your best friend? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have any best friend. What do you and your friends do together? if I had any best friend, definitely I would love to do something, but unfortunately I don't have any best friend, so I don't do anything. Who do you admire in your family? See, sometimes I admire my son because he makes animations, he does a lot of editing, or he makes some, gaming videos or something. So I like that, so I admire him always. He is very good at drawing as well, so I admire him. How do you spend time with your family? How do I spend time with my family? See, first of all, I talk to them, I sit with them, I start playing with my son, or if they want to go out, so I go out with them, or sometimes we all together we watch movie at home, or sometimes we go to any cinema hall to watch movie together. So this is how I spend time with my family. Do you live with your family? Yes, of course I live with my family. Do you have a pet? No, I don't have a pet. Who is the funniest person in your family? It's a tad difficult to say about the funniest person in my family. Having said that, I would say that I am the funniest person in my family. Why I'm saying this? Because sometimes I start behaving like a child when I have to talk to my son. So I start behaving like a child. I always try to come to the level he is and talk the way he is talking. And I always want to talk about games and other things, what my, other things that my child likes. So in that way, if I say, I become kind of funniest person because I start behaving like that. I start doing some different dramas or activities that you cannot see any adult doing. So kind of funniest person. Or I might crack any joke, I might dance in a funniest way, or I have certain dialogues that I speak at my home that singles out me, and it can give me a particular tag of being funniest. So this is how I call myself a funniest person. Again, where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Describe your home. See, in Mumbai, I have bought a house. This is 1 BHK. So I have a big hall. As you can see, I'm sitting right now here in my hall. And if I talk about the hall, there are so many things. It has one air condition, one attractive fan, one 55 inches TV, one center table. There is a sofa cum bed. I have this study table with, a separate section for books. I have this boss chair. And if I talk about my kitchen is fully modified. It has one chimney as well, water purifier as well. If I talk about my bedroom, it has lovely painting, attractive bed with one AC and one fan, and a very stylish wardrobe. And there are 2 bathrooms which always give me the vibe as if I'm in a hotel or somewhere. Miss, I like the design and I like all the things of my bathroom. So this is how I can describe my home. It's a lovely house, though it is expensive because I am in Mumbai, but it's a lovely house. Fine. What is your favorite room in your house? See, if I talk about the room, of course, bedroom is the favorite room because I have only one bedroom, one hall and kitchen. So right now I'm sitting in my hall. But if I have to relax, of course, I'll go to my bedroom. So that is the favorite room where I can spend time, I can relax and sleep. But here in the hall, I can only teach, I can talk to my students, on video call, or I can watch TV. So bedroom is the favorite room of mine. What is your neighborhood like? I don't have any information about my neighbors. And if I talk about the neighborhood, there is nothing, only peace. There is nothing but peace in my neighborhood. Do you prefer city life or village life? I cannot say that I like this particular life. Though I like city life because I get here all the required things easily. It could be anything. If I have to go to any shop, I can go easily. I can order anything, it can come to my house. If I talk about village, pure village where I live, there I only get peace, tranquility, pure oxygen. But if somebody falls sick, the person has to go, 35 kilometers far to get the best hospital. So that is not good. If you have to buy anything, you cannot get in your village. If I talk about my village, so you have to just go 16 kilometers, maybe 10 kilometers far. If you want to get even one samosa, you cannot get in the village. So if I, in terms of that, I won't say that I like only one thing. Both have their own, particular values. So I would say that, yeah, first city, and then to relax, village, to spend some time village, to spend a lot of time and make money and get good education, you can get every possible thing that you are looking for easily in cities. So that's the reason I would say, like, city first, then village. Have you ever visited a big city? What big city are you asking? I don't understand. I am in Mumbai, so for me this is also a big city. So I have been to Patna in Bihar, that is also a big city. I have been to Mumbai, this is also a big city. I have been to Delhi, New Delhi, that's also a big city. So yes, I have visited. What place would you love to visit? I would like to visit where? Kerala. I would like to go to Nepal. These are the places. Which country do you want to travel to? I told you I would like to go to Nepal, or I also want to go to America and Dubai to see. So these are the places I would love to travel to. What's the most beautiful place you have seen? I have seen Ooty. That's a beautiful place. What is your dream vacation? Dream vacation is, as I told you, I would like to go to Nepal. I would like to go to, in India, I would like to go to every part of India to visit. It could be Rajasthan. It could be some parts in Bihar also, Kolkata also. So I would like to visit such places. Fine guys, so यहाँ तक मैंने आप लोगों को करके दिखाया. ये 29 क्वेश्चंस मैंने खुद से पूछे और मैंने जो मन में आया मैंने जवाब दिया रैंडमली. कहीं कोई जवाब लिखा हुआ नहीं था, कोई स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं था. मेरे मन में आया मैंने जवाब दिया. अगले एपिसोड में आगे और करूँगा. ये मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा था कि आप खुद से सवाल करें और जवाब दें. अब आपके मन में आएगा कि हम सही बोल रहे हैं या गलत बोल रहे हैं, कैसे पता चलेगा? ऑफकोर्स अगर आप ग्रामर जानते होंगे तो पकड़ लेंगे, नहीं जानते होंगे तो नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे. या आप खुद से करेंगे, आप खुद को रिकॉर्ड करके देख भी सकते हैं. किसी और से कह सकते हैं कि तुम मुझसे सवाल करो और मैं जवाब देता हूँ. लेकिन चूंकि आपके पास पार्टनर नहीं, तो अपने आप से ही आपको करना है. ये रोज़ करेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ स्पीकिंग आप कर रहे होंगे गाइस. लोग रोज़ नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए वो फंस जाते हैं. बाकी मैं अगला एपिसोड भी लाऊंगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी. मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू गाइस.